Okay, welcome in for another SB review. Exciting day for the channel. Got a new opening, brand new opening of a watch, so you guys get to see it with me. I don't know which one this is going to be. I have a couple coming in, so let's have a look at our treasure today. Let's see. Oh, all right. I think I know what this is. So on AliExpress, the 11/11 sale, this was the watch that caught my attention, with attention from others giving it praise. I took a look at it and said, man, that looks really nice. I have to get it. And it was on sale for a really good price. So kudos to Seagull for the nice packaging. But that's, I guess, the warranty and instructions there. Here it is. Oh man. Nice. Let me get this cleaned up and let me dive into that dial there. Oh man. Yep, we are going to dive into the dial, into the features on this, so stay tuned. Okay, back again with the continuation. I've got it all cleaned up, and we're looking at the Seagull Flywheel. So this is it's the model D819.622, and it's their Seagull watch flywheel multifunction business watch, the 42 millimeter dial. Specifications on this are, it's automated, obviously, with a ST 2502 38 joule 21,600 vibration movement with 42 hours power reserve. The thickness is, so it's going to be 42 on the dimension of the case. It's going to be 13 millimeters thick, a little bit chubby, and 48 lug to lug. And this will be a 20 millimeter bracelet. It is a leather pin buckle. What else? So, and it's water resistant to 50 meters. So we'll get in a little bit closer and have a look at that flywheel. It has a setting over here for the day, and then a setting over here for the date, and then you pull it out once to set the time. So look at that nice dial. Yeah, it's really nice. Got an iridescence to it. The case back is exhibition. I wonder if I can get the focus in. You can see a nice decorated rotor with the Seagull on there. And it's inscribed right there. Also has it here on the buckle. So really nice attention to detail, genuine leather. I do like how they have two straps like this. So you have one that is fixed and then another one here. So they didn't miss that part there, because if both of these moved, you know, this would slide down. They did miss the opportunity to put quick release on here because I feel like I would want to put a rubber strap on here if I felt like I, you know, wanted to shower with it. Probably get away with it in the shower. Just wouldn't keep it under direct flow of water for too long. But this definitely fits both casual and dress attire, and works for a lot of different occasions. You know, you can put different straps on here. I feel like this is going to be a really good watch to have some different straps on there. I have a shark mesh that I think would look really good on there, or the rubber ones. So yeah, choose the band that you like. So I picked this up for the AliExpress sale, computer stop, and this came out to, gosh, I'll have to, it was under $200, if you can believe that. I mean, really low hundreds that I picked this up for. So those AliExpress sales, my first year of trying the AliExpress, and I had no idea that they would sell watches that low, so I picked up a few. But anyway, thanks for watching. Any comments, just let me know. And thank you for coming back and watching some more of SB Reviews. Have a good one. Here it is on my 7.5-inch wrist, 42 millimeter dial. Take that into account. We'll try to back that up a little bit. You can see, not bad. 42 is a good size. I've got big watches. I've got the 50 millimeter watches. So 42, 40, 42 on a 7.25, 7.5-inch wrist, no problem. You can see the profile isn't bad. And I've got this, you know, on the third hole, maybe the third or fourth hole, but yep, that's it right there. Looks good.